The stock market ended in the red zone today. Now, there are multiple reasons as to why the stock market failed. Some of those factors are that there was a heavy sellout in the global market, there is a rate hike fear, then there is a recession problem that has been continuing for a long time, the talks about it rather, and also in the technical outlook, the market ended with a red candle and did not break the resistance. So, probably there was a massive sellout by most of the investors, and the IT and the financial sectors took a big hit because of it. The sellout was in those sectors majorly. And in other news, Adobe has paid $20 billion in a cash and block deal to acquire the online design software called Figma. Now it plunged 17%, that it dropped 17% because the investors of Adobe are concerned that Adobe has overpaid for the acquisition of Figma.